Hi Amis, if you are trying to book BTS concert tickets in Japan, save this video. I live in Japan and just applied for BTS Tokyo Dome tickets, so here's a simple guide to help you. Okay Amis, first we talk about what we should get before we apply BTS tickets. First, get BTS Japan official fan club membership. You can purchase it via Viewers or Japan official fan club website. It's good if you not purchase the digital one. So this is Japan official website and you can go to the website and purchase your membership, and also you can go to Viewers membership details and then select Japan official fan club membership, not the global one or USA one. Then you can select Japan official membership, not the digital one, and you have to pay 6,500 yen for that membership. After you paying that amount, you will receive message email. Be sure you use the same email address you log into Viewers, because you have to use same mail address for everywhere when this apply for these tickets. If you purchase it through Viewers, you should register on Japan official fan club website for joint ticket raffle. For BTS 2026 ticket raffle, it starts from January 22 9 p.m. and ends January 29 12 p.m. Check your membership active until performance date. If not, you cannot enter to the stadium. When you get Viewers membership, you can visit Japan official website and register. You have to enter your name, Japanese phone number and Japanese address, so that you should live in Japan. If not, you can apply for the Japanese concert raffle with global or USA membership after the raffle opens for you. Then let's move for applying for the raffle. Guys, I told you, if you apply for the membership via Viewers, you have to register in Japan official website, because when we are registering via Viewers, we get army membership number. It starts with BA and it contains 9 digits, but it's not valid for Japan concert, because we have to use Japan official fan club website membership number. It's different than the Viewers membership number, so you have to add your Japan official fan club membership number for the raffle. So don't use the number starts with BA, just use the number 6 or 7 digits given to you by official website. And the thing is, if you are applying for the website via your phone, sometimes it doesn't show the membership number. So use your laptop and log into your account, then you can see the website membership number. It doesn't matter if phone doesn't show you, use your laptop and get your membership number. Okay, now go to website and find BTS tour raffle announcement. Just go to tickets. It will show you available tickets. It's only Arirang tour tickets. So go to it and then scroll down. You can see details about the show. Read it carefully and then agree and select next. Then do as follows and confirm you are not a robot. Then you will enter to the queue. But after the waiting is over, you will enter to the application page. But if not, you will go to the back page. But don't panic. Just scroll down and do it again. Do agree again, and then you will move to the application page like this. Read these documents carefully and then start to apply. Guys, remember there are different pages for VIP and S seats and SS seats. So if you want VIP seat, just click VIP, and then if you use S seat or SS seat, use S seat or SS seat page. It's different. VIP page is another page, SS seat and S seat page is another page. And here I'm showing you how to book S seat or SS seat. Click the date you want and then click you want S seat or SS seat. You can make 2 choices, first choice and second choice. Here request addition and then use your second choice. If you want SS seat for first choice, first select SS seat. Then if you want S seat for second choice, request addition and then add your second choice. Here you will see your first choice and second choice. If you want, you can change your choices first or second. Here enter your same email address and then your Japanese phone number and select next. And then you will go to the payment confirmation page. So payment will be made for Lawson or mini stops in Japan. If you want online payment methods, read carefully these documents and then choose the payment method for you. Here use 4-digit password for your page login and then your name. I'm a foreigner, so I first enter my name in English and then my name in katakana. After that, enter your birthday. Don't mix with your birthday. Use your same birthday and then enter your prefecture where you live. And after selecting next, you will enter to the information entry page. Then you have to type your number, membership number. Here use the membership number given by the official website, not the number starts with BA, just the number with 6 or 7 digits that given to you by official website. And then read carefully and mark these answers for the questions. For every question. And here choose your Japanese ID types, passport, my number card or your Sairu card. Then choose next. And then you can check whether you entered correct information. After confirming your information is correct, you enter to the confirmation page. Then you can check whether you booked correct seats and what's the price of your seats. Then confirm your application. Wishing all armies the best of luck. May we all win tickets and meet BTS soon.